Air valve replacement. Hold the bottom valve guard and remove the air release valve by turning it to the left with a valve key. Take the new air release valve and place it properly on the bottom guard. Tighten it by turning it to the right with a valve key. Hold the bottom valve guard and remove the inflatable valve by turning it to the left using a valve key. Take the new inflatable valve, place it properly on the bottom guard, and tighten it by turning it to the right with a valve key. After replacing the valves, inflate the tube and tighten the valves one more time for added security. Congratulations, you have completed the process.